Mayor Strike Revilla, na iniintindi niya yung trabaho ko sa corporate world at saka sa advocacies, at saka sa lahat ng mga bumubuo ng mga Gabay Guru volunteers. Maraming salamat po.
Yung mga photos na yan, parang yun lang po yung ginagawa ko. Maraming salamat po. That's such an honor to see all of that there. But medyo nakaka-humble po kasi I can't do these things alone. So first of all, I want to thank the Eddies for this, but also I would like to thank my team and my family who have been there with me to support me all throughout. Sobrang supportive nila to a point that they would even help me with my schedules. They would help me make sure that we're able to put up with these things, even if it means having a lot of adjustments. So my Star Magic family is here, my ABS-CBN family, MediaWorks family, and I would also like to thank my brand partners. More than business partners, they're also like family to me, and a lot of people don't know this, but they would actually contact us if they can support without us having to ask for it, and sobrang na-appreciate po namin yun. Really, that's what it's all about. So, yeah, it's a very humbling award, honestly, and I don't know if I'm deserving of it, but I really appreciate it. We can't solve every problem, but we can choose to help one person, we can choose to help one community, one family, do one deed at a time. Because honestly, real change happens when people just choose to care. And I think this is a reminder that in order to make a difference, you don't need to be part of a select few. It's something every single one of us can do, every single day. So I accept this award as a reminder that serving people is not about how much you can give, how grand your contributions can be. It's honestly just caring enough to show up. And that's really enough. So, God bless. To God be the glory. Have a great night. Thank you.
Bumubuo ng Eddies para sa pagbibigay sa akin muli ng parangal na ito. Isang parangal na ibinigay nila sa akin noong nakaraang taon. Maraming salamat po. Magpapasalamat po ako sa Star Cinema, sa Viva Film, sa Idea First, kay Direk June Robles Lana, sa ABS-CBN, sa lahat ng aking mga co-actors, kay Lucas na anak ko na naririyan na nominated din kanina sa Best Supporting Actor, kay Nadine Lustre, at sa lahat ng mga taga-PBB na kasama ko sa pelikulang ito. Maraming salamat. Lubos ako nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng aking mga little pony, sa lahat ng madlang people na patuloy na naniniwala, tumatawa sa mga hirit ko, naniniwala sa mga pelikula ko, makakapagpatawa sa kanila. At masayang-masaya po ako na noong nakaraang taon, nabigyan ulit ako ng pagkakataon na makapagbigay ng iba pang lasa bukod sa komedya sa pamamagitan ng kwentong idinirihe ni Direk June Lana. Maraming salamat din po. Sa Metro Manila Film Festival, maraming salamat dahil binigyan niyo ako ng pagkakataon at ng plataforma na makapagbigay ng kwento, pangkaraniwang kwento ng mga tulad ko na nasa LGBTQIA+ community, ang kwento ng pagiging ina na hindi palagi ang napag-uusapan sa lipunan dahil ito ay hindi rin masyadong tanggap pa at hindi pangkaraniwan sa pandinig, panlasa at paningin ng marami. Kaya maraming salamat po. At inaalay ko rin itong award ko na ito, na Box Office Hero, sa lahat ng mga kasama ko sa komunidad na sa ngayon ay kasama ko bilang puwersa na humahamon sa sistema na nakasanayan at pangkaraniwan. Naalay ko ito kila Lu Ballesteros, kina Kalad Karen, kina John Lapus, kina Esnir, kina La Quindura, kila Milia, sa lahat ng mga baklang content creators, sa lahat ng mga drag queens na ngayon ay namamayagpag din, sa lahat po ng mga bahagi ng aming komunidad na ngayon ay nagniningning at nabibigyan din ng panahon ng spotlight at ng pagkakataon upang makapagpakita ng kanilang talento. talento sa industriyang ito. Ang parangal na ito ay para sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat.
Recognition and for the honor. I'd like to thank our Heavenly Father who created us all and made things possible for all of us here. And of course, the Gabay Guru volunteers and the Gabay Guru artists who have actually shared their time and their talent in recognizing and providing tribute to our teachers all the last 20 years. At saka magpapasalamat din po ako, syempre sa boss ko, kay MVP, for allowing